It's going down tonight, cause we're all in it.
Alright, welcome back to CFJ Ranch Outdoors. And today we are going to be making deer jerky out of this fine deer meat right here, shot by yours truly.
Alright, so Colter and I have already ground this meat. This is exactly 5 pounds is what we've done. Oh wow, the paper towels are sticking to it. And we already soaked it. We're gonna have to fix that. We've already put all the seasoning in it. We let it soak for, it's actually been 48 hours now since we soaked it. And so it's already ground, ready to go. And then what we'll do is, we got this new, we've been making jerky like this a long time. I prefer to grind the jerky and then use a jerky blaster and just put it on into kind of strips along the dehydrator and then dehydrate it. Well, my in-laws got this for me for Christmas last year and I didn't get a chance to use it last year. So this one is actually electric. So the previous ones you had to kind of crank up and use a little gun. It wasn't that bad, but this one's pretty fancy because we're kind of a big deal here at CFJ Ranch Outdoors.
We're very fancy.
Yeah, we are. So anyway, we're gonna unbox this puppy and we'll go from there.
Alright.
Okay, Colter's gonna unbox it for us here.
Alright.
See what we got in there. Wow, that's kind of a big deal there.
Yeah, it's pretty big.
Okay, so looks like we got just a standard gun like the previous one. Got to cock it, loaded with all your stuff. Oh, they have a little cleaning tool in there. Pull that out, Colter. It's right here. And then most of these guns come with, so that cleans it. Most of these guns come with a couple of different tips. So this one makes strips, and that's probably what I will use. If you prefer kind of the Slim Jim style, you can do these. I don't know, I prefer the others. So that's what we're gonna do today. All right, let's get it going, Colter.
All right.
All right, we got the jerky gun assembled, and now he's loading the end of the gun with the meat. And it's really key to try to get as little of air in there as you can. So you gotta stuff it down and pack it really good. So in fact, I think there's a little thing to pack it in one of the tools in there. So I better get that out. All right, Colter's gonna give this one a shot. Go for it.
Right.
Fire it up, bud. This electric one has several speeds on it. And so we've kind of adjusted the speed a little bit. Those look pretty good. I think we're gonna continue to improve our skill at this, Colter. What do you think?
I think so too.
Almost that happens. Just take some practice. That looks terrible. Mm-hmm. Absolutely terrible.
They came out really bad.
All right, Colter stuck the stuffer down the tube. I'm not sure how he thought we were gonna get that out of there. Just reach down there with your fingers and grab it, Colter.
I can feel it.
All right, I think we're gonna have to turn the gun on and shoot it out. That's what I would do. Coming?
It's coming.
And then you're gonna have to just reload it and fill it back up. There it is. Bingo. So we've discovered the best technique for this is Colter goes a little bit faster, and that seems to get a smoother, more even deal. And for me, the best technique is to watch Colter and drink some vino right here. Seems to work very well. Colter, quit giggling. Bingo. I think you got it, Colter. All right, last one going in the dehydrator here.
Boom.
Very nice, Colter.
Like that.
Puppy's full of ground venison. I didn't tell y'all earlier, this is pure venison. In the sausage video, you notice that we mix that with pork, but the venison we keep just pure venison. I think it just does better that way. So anyway, all right, now we're gonna get that dehydrator going and we'll go from there. Okay, so it's been in the dehydrator about 16 hours. We're gonna pull it out and have a shot here. There's Emma doing a little dance back there. Hi, Emma.
Hi.
All right, so I always like to make sure that it's got a little crunch to it. Got a pretty good color. If you snap it, yeah, it just comes apart. So I definitely don't want it to be, you know, where it kind of sticks together, makes it chewy. Can also make it too done, and that's not good either. But all right, Miss Emma, I know you're eating chicken, but give this jerky a try for us. What do you think?
I made 2 days.
I'm gonna try it.
And try it.
Okay. Mmm.
It's good.
What do you think? Sausage better or jerky better?
I like the sausage better because the sausage isn't as hard.
Okay. So you like the texture, huh? I got you.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that is all we got for the jerky video. So we'll see you next time. Bingo, bango.